soft music, slow shots of night riding, city lights, close-ups of fabric. Lights and Locke's voiceover warm, confident tone. When you ride, it's not just about speed. It's about feeling untouchable. Every curve, every descent, every city street at night becomes a place where you either take control. Hors à risque. Today, this video is about adult bicycle safety gear that doesn't just protect you. It makes you feel incredibly confident and seriously hard to ignore. So stay with this video until the end, because every piece you're about to see is a bestseller, and you can grab any of them directly from the official site using the link right below this video. Opening. Safety that feels sexy. Most riders think safety gear means bulky, boring, and uncomfortable. But the right gear can actually shape your ride, flatter your body, and turn visibility into something almost irrésistible. Let's start with your second skin, what you wear on the bike. Product 1GC RFL Women's Cycling Jersey Set Highly Breathable. Bib shorts with pockets, and for D padded. Imagine slipping into a cycling kit that hugs your body in all the right places, supports you on long rides, and still lets your skin breathe. The GC RFL Women's Cycling Jersey Set is designed to be highly breathable, so heat and sweat escape while you stay cool and focused on the road, not your clothing. The real magic is in the bib shorts, a 4D padded chamois built for comfort over hours in the saddle, reducing pressure and road buzz so your body feels fresh long after everyone else is sore. Add convenient pockets for your essentials, and you get performance, comfort, and a sleek look that says serious rider the moment you clip in. If you want your safety to start with how secure and supported your body feels, this set belongs in your wardrobe. Click the link below this video to see it on the official site and choose your color and size. Product 2, Noxeer Tracer to multicolor, light up, and reflective vest. Now, let's talk visibility, the kind that turns you into a moving beacon. The Noxeer Tracer to light up and reflective vest wraps your body in 360-degree illumination using powerful LEDs and reflective materials, making you visible from up to a quarter-mile away in low light. It's ultra lightweight, breathable, and fully adjustable, so you can wear it over summer jerseys or winter jackets without feeling weighed down or restricted. With multiple color and flashing modes, you can choose a look that fits your mood: subtle, intense, or absolutely unmissable, while a rechargeable battery keeps you glowing for hours on a single charge. If you ride dusk or after dark, the most of period saves you impossible to ignore. Tap the link right under this video to get your Tracer 2 vest from the official site. Product 3, CRFL Women's Cycling Jersey Set Short Sleeves, Zipper Pocket, for D-padded shorts for warmer days. The CRFL Women's Cycling Jersey Set with short sleeves gives you that light, fast, aerodynamic feel. The jersey's zipper and breathable fabric help regulate your temperature, while a secure back pocket keeps your phone, keys, or energy gels right where you need them. The 4D padded shorts are all about protecting your most sensitive contact points with the saddle, so you can ride longer with less discomfort and more confidence in your body's support system. This is the kind of kit that makes everyday training feel like an event and turns safety into something you actually look forward to putting on. If you want a short sleeve set that blends style, comfort, and protection for your rides, scroll down and click the link under this video to find your CRFL set on the official page. Product for GC RFL Winter Cycling Jersey Set Thermal Fleece, long sleeve, bib pants. Cold weather doesn't have to end your season, and it definitely shouldn't kill your style. The GC RFL Winter cycling jersey set combines a thermal fleece jersey with long leg bib pants. Wrapping your body in warm, insulating fabric that still lets moisture escape so you don't overheat on climbs. Long sleeves and full length bib pants help shield you from wind and chill, keeping your muscles warm and responsive, which is a huge part of riding safely in winter conditions. This is the set you wear when you want to look like you belong on the road all year, round no excuses. No off-season, just smooth, confident power through the cold. If winter is calling and you want to answer safely, click the link below this video and check out the GC RFL thermal set on the official site. Product 5, CT-Lock Foldy-Lock Compact Folding Bike Lock, and when the ride is over, safety doesn't stop. The CT-Lock Foldy-Lock Compact is a high-security folding bike lock made from hardened steel, bars joined with ultra-protected rivets to resist cutting and drilling, all while staying surprisingly lightweight and portable. It folds down into a compact shape that fits in its quiet mounting case or in a bag, and unfolds to a generous circumference around 85 centimeters so. You can lock your frame and wheel to racks, posts or railings with far more flexibility than a traditional U-lock. Awarded a Sold Secure Silver rating and built to be weather-resistant and rust-resistant. It gives you serious peace of mind, whether your bike is outside a cafe, the office, or your apartment block. If you care about your bike as much as your ride, this lock is non-negotiable. Use the link right below this video to grab the Foldy-Lock Compact directly from the official store. Closing CTA, turn safety into desire, so. If you're ready to turn bicycle safety gear for adults into something powerful, attractive, and completely yours, choose the pieces that protect your body, light up your presence, and guard your bike even when you're not there. All 5 of these best-selling products are waiting for you on the official site. Click the link right under this video now to check them out, pick your favorites, and upgrade your safety in the most seductive way possible, because the safest riders are the ones who are impossible to ignore. Relacionado. Write a seductive 3-minute YouTube script in English targeting adult cyclists. Create a punchy theorzekil at the start of the script. Provide SE or friendly English video title and 5 tag suggestions for the video. Draft a short English voiceover for each product highlighting key safety features. Write an English call to action urging viewers to click the official product links